thanks.
Special occasion?
Of the weirder kind.
A date?
Would that be a problem?
No. Why don't you bring him for dinner sometime?
Look, this is my life, not some teenage dating fantasy.
Well, you know, I mean, it could be dessert or coffee. It doesn't have to be dinner. It's not like it's a big deal.
Relax, Brooke, okay? I'm nobody's prom queen. They're not exactly lining up to whisk me to passion's peak.
I just think that I should know who your friends are.
Well, it's a short list. And Janet's on it. That's where I'm headed. I'm going to the courthouse. She's being arraigned today.
Did she ask you to come?
No. She doesn't have to.
Well, how do you know that she wants you to be there?
What, she'd rather take on a judge with no backup?
She has her attorney.
Yeah, some court-appointed reject who couldn't make it into the big bucks league.
Plenty of good legal aid lawyers.
Well, they're all strangers, and what she really needs right now is her friends.
Laura, look, the arraignment, it's not like a trial. I mean, basically, it'll be over in a couple of minutes.
So?
So it's going to be a summary of Janet's past and a formal charge of murder, and I think it's going to be very hard to take.
Look, let's get one thing straight, Brooke, okay? I am not the little girl you never had. You can't wrap me up in a fuzzy pink blankie and protect me from the world. I'm not all sugar and spice. I have lived on the street with drug addicts and wackos. I think I can handle a stupid little hearing.
Look, the point is...
That you're not my mother, okay? You can't tell me where I can and can't go.
Hi.
Well, what's going on? I heard the two of you all the way down at the end of the drive.
Brooke's trying to nix the arraignment. Tell her she can't stop me from going.
We spent a long time at the cabin together, Janet, Laura, and I. Kind of got used to taking care of each other. Seems like the wrong time to stop.
I think that your friendship and your loyalty is wonderful, and I would never suggest turning your back on Janet. I just think that today is going to be very difficult.
Yeah, for Janet. Not for me. Look, if we don't show up, she's going to think that we bailed. You know, we were less than supportive after that tape. We're all she's got left, and we owe it to her to be there.
I agree with you, okay? Listen, you're more than welcome to join us if you'd like to come.
Well, I mean, if you think that would be all right with Janet.
Well, I think she'd be happy to see the two of you getting along. Huh?
Would it be all right if I came along, Laura?
Hey, two's company, three's a party. Let's go. Janet, how are you holding up?
Thanks for coming.
Are you okay?
Sure, I'm okay. I mean, I'd rather be sitting around a fire with you and Pierce eating blueberry muffins and drinking cocoa.
Excuse me. You're gonna have to get back.
Okay, hang in there, okay?
You too.
Let's sit down, okay?
Yeah.
She didn't waste any time stepping into your clogs. Look at that arrogant little smirk. She's happy. Why shouldn't she be? She gets the man and the kid ready-made. Never mind that you found them first, brought them out of their shells, made them who they are today. Brooke wins the Janet Green family sweepstakes. That's all right, loser. After your lethal injection, it won't hurt as much.
Shut up. Just shut up.
She's losing it.
No, I think she's arguing with her attorney.
She's losing it.
This is new to them. They haven't seen it before.
Janet from another planet lost in space patrol. She's spinning out of orbit one more time.
Having examined the circumstances surrounding the death of Laurel Dillon, the grand jury has returned an indictment of murder in the first degree against you. At this time, do you care to change your plea?
No. I didn't do it. I'm not guilty.
Very well. The defendant will be remanded to custody until such time as a verdict is reached.
May I make a motion, Your Honor?
I can't stop you from trying.
I move that bail be set immediately in an amount reflecting my client's means.
Objection, Your Honor. This defendant is a violent felon with a history of assumed identities. She's a danger to the community and an established flight risk.
Bail's denied.
Exception, Your Honor.
You can't do that.
Yes, Miss Green, I can.
It's not fair.
Restrain your client.
Your Honor, with all due respect, the evidence in this case is purely circumstantial. The defendant has strong personal ties to the community and has lived peacefully within the law since the time of her release from the state penitentiary.
Her early release, complete with cosmetic improvements and a more mellifluous speaking voice. This state has squandered a fortune in taxpayers' dollars for your so-called rehabilitation. Counseling, throat surgery, facial restoration. I mean, one can't help but wonder, to what end?
It worked.
Silence.
I'm telling you, I'm a good person. I saved a little boy's life.
Janet, stop.
I'm a law-abiding citizen.
You can't even abide by the rules of this courtroom. Now, one more word. One more word, Miss Green, and I'll slap you with a contempt citation. Now, in the interest of economy and expediency, trial will begin tomorrow morning.
Your Honor, defense needs time to prepare.
Your client has been shamelessly indulged by this Commonwealth. Well, the pampering stops here. Court's adjourned.
All rise. That'll never stand up on a challenge.
It's over.
No, Judge Freer just cinched our appeal.
I've already been convicted. There's no point in a trial.
Janet, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry.
I'm a little disappointed myself. I had this fantasy that the judge would set bail and we'd all go back to the cabin and spend some time together. Be like we were. Why did we ever leave there?
It's gonna be okay. Just hang on, okay? Just hang on.
Janet, if there's anything that
You
I
can take from me? No, Brooke. You've got it all. Everything I cared about. Now, why don't you just leave me the hell alone?
Miss Green, do you have anything to offer? Statement,
So you think she's innocent?
Well, I mean, if you fell on a lump of hot steel, wouldn't you pick it up to see what it was? Where does that judge get off? I mean, can't we report him or something? Aren't they supposed to be impartial?
Do you want some tea?
I am not a basket case, okay? I can make my own damn tea. If you want somebody to worry about Janet.
Would you like to talk about it?
Oh, excuse me. I thought I was.
Hey, relax. There's no reason to get hostile about
Look,
this.
I understand that the arraignment was very upsetting. I know that.
Right. I'm just damaged for life. That's what this is, right? Your version of I told you so?
Laura?
I have a way with her.
Well, she tends to lash out at others when she's scared.
I'll make a note of that. Anything else that I need to know?
I'm available for consultations. Any time of the day or night.